Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is job update 53. In this job update video, I'll explain how you have to apply for Hawkins Cooker Limited management trainee recruitment. Okay, so this job, the minimum qualification needed is diploma, and how you have to apply, I'll explain all the step-by-step process. So watch the video till the end. You will definitely find it very useful, and the salary that they are offering is very high, like for freshers. So this is a very good opportunity. And now let's start how you have to apply. On Google, search Hawkins Cooker. So this link, it will appear on your screen. So first link, here you have to click. Then you have to go to the bottom right corner where it is saying jobs. You have to click this link. Again, further page will open. Then under this, only one link you will find. This is for management trainees. So here you have to click again. So this final page it will open, and during training they will be giving 8 to 10 lakh per annum, and on confirmation after training period they will be giving 10 to 12 lakh per annum. So this is very high salary for freshers. So it's a very good opportunity. And here they have also mentioned that fresh graduates may apply. So this is for freshers only, and those who are having some work experience, they can also apply. So it's not that only freshers are eligible. Those who are freshers or having some experience also, both can apply. So minimum it should be like you have just passed this year. So those who are in final year, those are not eligible. Those who have already passed, just now they have graduated this year only, 2020, in their relevant May or June, July, whenever you have graduated. So after that, so you must be having your provisional mark sheet or provisional degree. So those who have already completed their 4-year or 3-year diploma program or 4-year BTech program, those only can apply. Okay, so final year are not eligible. Final year means those who will be going to pass in 2021. So those are not eligible. Those who have already passed, completed in 2020, they are eligible. And persons, and here they are also saying that persons with relevant experience may also get some higher salary. So here it is like for 10 to 12 lakh it is for freshers, and if you are having some relevant experience you may get even more than 12 lakhs, but that will depend on your final interview. Okay, now this is a very dedicated management training program which will lead to the management cadre role after completion of 18 months. So this is a training program for 18 months. So during this 1.5 year you will get 8 to 10 lakh per annum, and after 18 months, once they will complete the program, whoever are selected, so they'll undergo 18 months training program known as management training program. After 18 months they will be given like job offer, and they will be permanent in the company, and they will be getting 10 to 12 lakh per annum. Okay, and like it's not only for engineering. So here, like if you are having some other degree also in sales, marketing, accounts, like MCom, BCom, or in human resources, or in legal, like LLB or some, so you can apply for the relevant disciplines also by clicking on the relevant apply button. I will be explaining in this video because it's more suitable for engineers. So I'll be explaining how you have to apply for engineering positions or for engineering graduates. Okay, process will be same for others also. Those who are having MCA, BCA can apply under programmers. Okay, I'll be explaining how you have to apply those who are possessing diploma or BTech, BE degree, or MTech, ME degree. So here they are saying diploma holders or BTech or MEM Tech, like engineering or postgraduate in mechanical, electrical, civil, tool design and manufacturing, product design, industrial engineering, material science, or robotics. So if you have completed your BTech or diploma in mechanical, electrical, civil, tool design, etc., so those are eligible. Okay, how you have to apply? You have to click on this link where it is saying apply in red under technical / engineering. There is a link apply. You have to click here. So this form it will open, and here it will say that job applied for technical / engineering. Here you have to fill in your name. So here you will fill your name, then your age, then your mobile number, then your email ID. Once you fill all these, then you have to submit your biodata or resume. Okay, how you have to submit? Click here, choose file, then as per your mobile configuration, or if you are applying from laptop or computer or desktop, so you have to just upload by giving the path. So suppose I am applying from mobile, so I'll just go to this my file, then my browse wherever my resume is, so I'll just click there and I will select that file. Once I'll select, then that file it will appear here, and just I have to click this upload button. This upload button, once I click this resume, it will get uploaded. Then same thing I have to repeat for the reason why I'm interested in this job. So why you are interested in this job, you have to write about 200 words paragraph in your own handwriting in English language on a piece of paper. Then you have to click that photo, or you can also do a scan, convert from JPG to PDF, and then after that you have to just follow the same path, like choose file and then upload. Now whatever the mobile number that you have entered on the fourth row here, whatever the mobile number that you have entered, so just you will be getting the OTP. Once you click this request OTP, then you will be getting the OTP on your mobile number. So this is just for verification of your mobile number. So once you click request OTP, you will be getting that OTP. So enter that digits here, enter OTP and click on submit application. Okay, you need not send any file anywhere, so only you have to submit online application. So this is job I have told, like how you have to apply for management trainee position in Hawkin Coolers Limited for technical/engineering. So if you are applying for suppose programmers or in finance or in legal, so the process will be same. Okay, same kind of page will open. So this is for engineering candidates. This I have shown the example. Okay, so I hope you have found this video very helpful. Please guys press the like button, please share this video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell. I'll be posting such videos in future also, along with regular technical videos covering the syllabus of mechanical engineering. So I'll be seeing you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.